One of my favorite new hidden features in Veeam Backup and Replication version 13 is that you can now use certificate-based authentication for connecting to servers distributed through your VBR deployment. Instead of using traditional NTLM or Kerberos-based authentication, this allows you to enhance your security by using passwordless authentication. For instance, if you've deployed a just-enough OS-based appliance for roles like a proxy server or a Veeam hardened repository, instead of creating a username and password and then supplying those credentials to the backup server, the Certificate-based Authentication Deployment Kit comes pre-installed on the newly created appliance and is awaiting a connection from the VBR server. Simply add the new server and select Connect using Certificate-based Authentication instead of using local administrator credentials. At that point, it will begin using Certificate-based Authentication. And if you're not quite ready to make the move to a Linux appliance, you can use the certificate-based authentication with Windows servers via the Managed Server Deployment Kit. You simply build your Windows server as usual, but then generate a deployment kit from the VBR server. After you install the deployment kit on your server, it adds a certificate and awaits your connection from the VBR server, just like when you were using the JEOS appliance. You can also use this deployment kit for Hyper-V hosts, agents, and guest interaction proxies. Speaking of using Windows, note that you can use the certificate-based authentication regardless of if you're running VBR in the traditional fashion on a Windows server, or if you're using the new Linux-based Veeam software appliance. Regardless of which operating system you use, using certificate-based authentication helps to simplify and harden your Veeam deployment, and is just one of the many great new features of Veeam Backup and Replication version 13.